All right, so many of you ask, how do I change out the saw blade on my circular saw? So, I'm sure different versions have different methods, but they're about the same. Some have a little lock button to prevent it from turning. The small DeWalt is just a Allen key, and then a crescent wrench, or you find the exact size wrench, adjustable wrench. Just make sure you're be careful though, this thing will really F you up. And another thing, it is not righty-tighty, lefty-loosey on this DeWalt. It is definitely righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. Also pay attention to the direction of the rotation for the blade. Some matter, some don't. Change this wood blade out for a what do you call this? A Tile Pro. I mean, you diamond cut blade. I'm going to specifically use it to cut hardy backer board, cement board. It's actually a 1/4 inch thick. I don't know. You can score it if you want, but I prefer to just use them saw. And there you have it. That's it. Alright, so real quick, I'm going to show you guys one way, a method to cut right back board, diamond blade on a circular saw. Just make sure you're using proper, your hair protection and a mask and eye pro. Because it does get really dusty, but I don't know. I prefer that method over cutting with the razor blade. I like it better. It's definitely quicker. There you have it. Alright, so real quick, we're going to go over installing hardy backer board. First off, make sure that you're using the right screws, specifically made for a backer board. So I've already cut mine in pieces. Obviously, they don't go all the way left and right, but it's fine because you're going to have molding right here anyway. So you don't need to take the tile all the way to the wall. But don't go too far to the edge. Maybe 1.5 inches out, and you also want to make sure that the screw's pretty flush. You don't have to put a lot in here, but obviously you want to put it, an okay amount. This is going to be the only thing in between the tile and the subfloor. You definitely don't want to get too close to the edge. Back board is it can be pretty brittle, so it does not like to bend. So there's the first piece. You don't have to get too crazy with it. But yeah, also to make sure that your screws are pretty flush. And another tip, I always use a 1/4 inch backer board on subfloor and a 1/2 inch on the walls. That's just what I do. Don't really need the support on the floor, but you do in the walls. All right. Also too, last thing, before you put the backer board down, make sure you sweep really well underneath and even take a vacuum to it. That way you can ensure there's no dust, debris, rocks, whatever underneath it. You want it to be as flat as possible.